Here I've got Nokia 8110, and let me show you how to add a lock screen on the following device. So at first let's open the main menu, find and select the settings, and here go to the privacy and click on screen lock. Now you can tap one more time on the select option to add your 4 digits long screen lock. Click on to activate it, and then enter the number that you would like to have. So let me enter 1234. Now confirm it one more time, so it's 1234. Click on create, and as you can see, from now on your lock screen is protecting your phone. So let me unlock it. You'll have to enter this 4 digits long password to unlock your device. That's it, now you can use it. So from now on you can protect your phone, you can protect your Nokia. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.